画面上穿着黄衣服的2位嫌犯被指控在全美进行跨州诈骗，他们专门锁定老年人骗取金条，不法获利数亿美元。
It's a large and sophisticated operation. It's taken a lot of money from senior citizens across the United States.
警方指控不肖商人将骗来的黄金火速进行融化、加工处理，使其难以追踪。为诈骗犯辩护的律师则反控警方搞不懂法律。
It's a very well set up business in terms of what the government requires of you to make sure you're following all applicable laws. I think that the sheriff's office in Texas has failed to look into those laws.
警方表示，这样的金条诈骗不只发生在佛州，德州也有2地发生类似案件。该不肖业者涉及的是大规模跨州诈骗。TVBS 网络新闻中心综合报道。